Hey, welcome back to the channel. So I opened up my fridge one day and then I took a look inside and then I said, hey, what's this I see? And there's a whole bunch of water. It's like, oh my God, it's like Niagara Falls in my tray in the fridge, my crisper there. And so I said, I gotta fix this. I don't know, I'm not gonna pay money to do this, but I think I know what I need to do. So I took apart the fridge, pulled it from the wall, and also let's get on and fix this. I said we're gonna pull it out the wall, the plug first, because it's all electricity. And then I opened the back panel and I got to fixing it, and I'll tell you how I fixed it. So I opened up the back of the refrigerator and you can see here some lines. It's very dusty, so we'll have to clean that off. But there's this line here, which is, I believe, is for the freezer, and there's this line here, which is for the fridge, and there's this line here, which is the drain for the ice maker. So we don't use the ice maker here. So when I open this up, it's very clear. There's nothing really in there. Maybe a little bit of dust. So this is fine. However, I open up the other tube here to the left. When I pull this out, it actually exploded and water gushed all around here. It was actually pressurized, and so there was some pressure. Just going to clean up the water now. There was some pressure, and it just exploded all over here. And when I cleaned this out, there was in there a little rock. You may be able to see the stain that the rock was there and blocked. There's a little bit of a stain there where the rock was. It's not a rock that was in my fridge, but over time, this fridge is about 5 years old. Over time, all the water that was coming through here made a little kidney stone, you would say, or a little stone, calcium stone. So we cleaned that out. Everything is pretty clear now. And this pipe, it goes to the bottom. I cleaned the pipe too. I used just a regular old toothbrush and I scrubbed everything out. And you can put it back in here. And now I finished carefully vacuuming this area, and I also got a toothbrush and went like this just to clean up the fins. They're so tight together. You can't really get this clean 100%, simply because it's so tight here. But you just have to be gentle with it. You don't want to damage anything. And I vacuum cleaned most of the dust. Since you're here, and it's proper maintenance to do that. Now, this hole right here, there's two holes as I mentioned. One here and one there, where these pipes go under. This pipe was for the ice maker, for the drainage of the ice maker. And this one here is for the refrigerator drainage. So there's a place where the pipes fit in the bottom here. Just put down there and raise this pipe up. It's just a snug fitting rubber pipe, and the water actually just drains to this pan here in the bottom, and it goes to the back. It looks actually pretty disgusting in the back, which I'm not going to touch. That's where it will just eventually evaporate. So instead of being in your fridge, it evaporates underneath your fridge. So I'm all done. I put the back plate back on the fridge, and I put the fridge back in its place. And I tested it out for a little while, and there's no water coming into my crisper. So I think we're all done. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if this helped you out. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Also check my affiliate links in the description for parts.